What's up everyone, it's Christian Lopez, and in today's video we are on part 2. In just a few moments you're going to see me throwing the transmission and the engine into the vehicle. But before I do that, I just want to give a big shout out to one of my amazing sponsors, SoCalZ. I've been with them for years now. I mean, I went on my first canyon run and car show with them when I had my permit still. My dad was in the vehicle with me and drove me to the canyon run, and I went to the car show and all that, and it was amazing. And now we've done NISFest, and I've been together with them for a long time. They're amazing, and I got a banner up, so I'm gonna throw that in my garage, and yeah, let's do that right now. It's going up right next to the American flag, and obviously the engine that I blew that kind of started this YouTube channel 3 years ago. This awesome NISFest shirt, check it out, limited edition. Picked it up on Sunday at NISFest. It was amazing. I think we still got a few for sale. Check out NISFest on Instagram or SoCalZ. Pretty sure they're listed up there. So yeah, but let's get to this. This is gonna be awesome. Bam! Look at that, guys. All right. So I don't know about you, but I think that looks pretty awesome. Obviously, it's right above my old block, chilling right there, and obviously next to my American flag. But definitely, guys, let's get to it. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this montage. I believe in this video. You'll hear it start up. Not 100% sure. We'll see when it comes down to editing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna come up on that crease right there. That's
okay. I see what you're saying. You need help
kick it with the bottom
getting
of your
it
feet.
past.
Kick it, the bottom. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
There.
You have soft shoes on, hidden side.
Yeah, no, I'm
so
saying
don't
all
get
that.
the hell out of the way.
Yeah, there you go. Once you have your brother push it, so if it does, hopefully it don't fall, but we will.
Once he said that, I was like, there you go. Oh, thank you. Do you need it? Or do you need a work light, or are we all good?
I think it should be good.
Okay.
Just line it back up.
I don't know, I just feel no need.
Come back this way.
Even though when I saw the Dr. Pepper today, I was like, yeah, good. Yeah, I got it. Bring it over a little bit? Yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, yep, I'm here. Watch the...
Or you can have your brother push it.
Watch the catalyst
Go on that
converter.
side.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it. Hey, can you push this forward without messing it up?
Can I push it forward?
I'm just asking.
Dude, I'm like Hercules over here.
You ready? Yep. Alright. Okay.
Oh, you guys are pulling it. Okay, I thought that was me.
Alright, so you're gonna bring your side over a little?
Or did you, right?
Yes,
Yeah, I know,
just
that's
a little.
Okay, so watch your foot. I'm gonna hit the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna turn the engine this way.
Yep. Alright.
So you can go straight in with it.
You ready? Yep. Good?
Keep going.
Looks like we're going good right now?
It's going out of angle over here. Sorry.
Alright, so we can slide it in.
Do you want me to go underneath and kind of lift the engine up?
Yeah, well, put the jack under there.
Jack, okay.
So that way... Okay, so
I'm gonna lift it up a little bit.
there you go. Go up, and I'm gonna go down. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, this thing's touchy.
It's alright. Okay, hold on.
Alright, I dropped the transmission just a little bit.
There you go.
There you go.
Alright, now we should be able to slide in.
Okay.
Keep pushing?
Yeah. I think it might be still catching on that.
Push.
Yeah, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yep, there you go.
Alright.
And move it forward more.
It can't. It's hitting the top of the...
Okay, so let me try to go down with it a little bit.
Yeah.
How's the hard line, Christian?
Hardline, I think we're past the zone of hitting it from the trans.
We're almost there, dude.
So I think you can drop it just a little bit.
Yeah,
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower this.
Okay.
it's going to go down and back.
Watch your fingers, ladies.
Yeah, I'm watching them.
Not you, oh, you too.
All right, so
Something just went flip. See if you can jack your end up. Now. There you go, see?
Yep.
There you go. Okay, hold on.
Yep.
Okay, go.
We're almost there. It
Yeah.
needs to move back about another.
Okay, see if you can push it with your feet right there. Anything up for you?
No, I'm all good. Yeah, it doesn't do anything for me.
Okay, jack yours up now.
Okay. I think if I jack mine up, it's gonna hit the firewall, but I'll do it.
Try it.
Yeah, it's just hitting
Is it
the.
hitting? Dude, we're right there. We're like 1/16 of an inch away from the hole.
Oh wait,
Hold on, let me jack
did
this
that
up.
help a little bit?
Yeah, let me jack this up just a little bit. Pick it up. There you go. There you go. It's walking in. There you go.
Yeah, it is going in.
Okay, hold on. We're right there, dude. We're right there.
Like a centimeter from touching up here.
Yeah, we're right there. Though. See if we can push it just a little bit. Oh, okay. Okay, that one should line up as it falls in.
Okay.
Because we're like...
Alright, it looks like stuff's hitting my firewall.
Okay, hold on a minute. Because it's sitting in, it's sitting right in the
It's sitting
cradle.
in there because it's not even.
It's in,
It didn't move.
It's in the cradle
This
here.
isn't.
Oh no, it's not. It's forward about a quarter of an inch. Or
It's not in the slot?
no, it's not.
Okay, hold on. Let's put one in.
You're still pushing on this bit right
Just
here.
lower just a little
That's
bit.
fine.
Christian. Oh.
Yep.
No worries. Pick it up.
Not that much.
Give it off.
This side's good.
Keep going. That's it, bro. You're in.
You're in! 3 years later! Woo!
At least it ain't 110 degrees though.
Alright guys, so my engine is in the vehicle. This is completely crazy. I gotta smile. I'm trying not to get too excited because, you know, crap happens, things break. I don't want that, but obviously it's just something that I'm still kind of being like that. But the engine's in. I'm gonna go torque down the engine mounts, trans mounts, all that crap, and then get started on connecting everything. I'll try to record it, most likely be speed or like going through it very fast. It's dark outside, there's not very good lighting, and I'm obviously not going to go through every single step of putting every single connector together and all that crap. It would take forever, and I just want to get this thing started up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next video will obviously be going through, connecting everything, installing everything, all that crap. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for following me on this journey. I'm so excited for what's to come. I'm so happy for what happened, even though I went through so much crap with people that I ended up not being able to trust, losing money, losing engines, stuff like this, everything that I've gone through. It's brought me to here, and I'm really excited to be able to continue how-to builds, you know, vlog my car, aftermarket car part installs on the vehicle, you know, track day vlogs, videos like that. It's just, I'm really excited. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, have a great day.